Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, dear students. Dear students, today is your second revision class of Geo. We have started previous week, so I am going to start the revision further topics. Okay, अर्जेंटीना तक हमने रिवीजन की थी, अब हम उससे बैकवर्ड मज़ीद चलेंगे. ओके, देयर इज़ द टॉपिक ऑफ चाइल्ड विच इज़ द कंट्री ऑफ साउथ अमेरिका, राइट. 4 facts of child: Santiago, Peso, Christianity and Spanish is the language. Child is known as the narrow country stretch along the coast area of South Africa, America. Okay, Atacama is the driest place in Child. It is the one of the driest place, right. Condor is a national bird of Child, and the measurement of the wings of condor 10 feet from tip to tip during fly. Okay, so these are 2 to 3 points in the Child which you have to learn, and also you have a definition at the end of this topic, that is cost, and you will be learn the definition as well, that the area or the place where sea, ocean meet the land. They may be sand, pebbles or rocks. That is coming to the next, that is Brazil. Brazil is the 5th largest country in the world. Brazil has the world largest rainforest, that is Amazon rainforest, largest river Amazon river, and the second largest longest river in the world, right. Brazil has the world largest rainforest in the world. Macau is a national bird of Brazil. It's also found in the Amazon rainforest. Important city of Brazil: Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo. Brazil national game is football, and it's won the football World Cup 5 times. Brasilia is a capital. Real is the currency. Christianity is a religion, and Portuguese is the language of Brazil. Now coming towards the Brazil Amazon rainforest. Amazon rainforest has a very important role in the economy of the ecology of the Brazil or the South America, because it's generate the much oxygen of South America. The many plants are used drug to fight the diseases and illnesses. ठीक हो गया. Secondly, mainly Brazil. The lifeblood of the vast expanse rainforest is mighty river Amazon, and its tributaries which together contain 25% of the world's water. Brazil have 1500 species of flowers and 400 species of birds. South America, total countries 12. Brazil is the largest country. Christianity is the major religion. Spanish and Portuguese are the major languages. Amazon is the longest river, and Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest of South America and world too. Major wildlife: jaguar, macaw and condor. Buenos Aires, Sao Paulo and Rio de Janeiro are the major cities. Coming towards Mexico. Mexico City is the capital. Peso is a currency. Christianity is a religion, and Spanish is the language of Mexico. Mexico is a dry desert, snow-covered mountain. It has many jungles, and Mexico food also famous for contain. And the Mexico City is also known as the 3rd largest city by population in the world. Okay. Now coming towards Canada. Ottawa is a capital. Canadian dollar is a currency. Christianity is the religion. English and French is the language. Canada is the 2nd largest country in the world. Important city: Montreal and Toronto. Most of the part of the covered with snow. Also we have a low population. We have a variety of beer. Natural resources of Canada: oil and wood. Canada has a 1 million lake. Canada also have a variety of beer. Polar bear can be found in north, brown bear in the east and black bear in the south. Okay. Canadian Rockies, also known as a mountain range in Canada, which is known as the Rocky Mountain or Canadian Rockies. Clear? It is also famous for thick pine forest as well. Now coming to USA. Capital is Washington DC. US dollar is a currency. Christianity is the religion, and English is the language. The 3rd largest country in the world is USA. America is known as important city: New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Chicago. USA has 50 states. Alaska is the largest one, okay, in USA. Now coming to the Alaska, which is the largest one state, is brought from Russia in 1867. Okay. So these are the important places of USA, right, in which Statue of Liberty, Golden Gate Bridge, White House, Seas Tower, Hollywood Universal Studio, Disneyland, and United Nation, headquarter of United Nations we have in USA. There are the landmark of USA, in which that Empire State Building, Statue of Liberty, and Golden Gate Bridge, right? Where is Golden Gate Bridge? San Francisco. The length is 2.7 kilometer, and always daily cross 1,25,000 cars. Who was the engineer of Golden Gate Bridge? G. Who was engineer of Golden Gate Bridge? Joseph Strauss was the engineer of Golden Gate Bridge. Now coming to a Statue of Liberty, located at the Liberty Island in New York. It is gift to the French, to the U.S. government from the French government in 1884. The height of a Statue of Liberty is 151 meter high, and it was has a crown on their head to show the rays of the seven continent, right? Then coming to Empire State Building. This Empire State Building is 102 stories. It's a deco style, contemporary deco style. It's located in New York. It's a high-rise building till 41 years. Clear? And the Empire State Building was the tallest building in the world, but the construction of World Trade Center, that building got the title of the tallest building. Not now, but now it is the tallest building in America. Was North America, total country 23. Canada is the largest country. Christianity is a major religion. Major island landmark, Statue of Liberty and Golden Gate Bridge. Major languages are English, French, and Spanish. Major cities: New York, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Toronto, Washington D.C., Mexico, Chicago. West Indies, you have to learn the name of the islands of the West Indies, and you know very well it is not a country. Few islands make a country, West Indies. Nuuk is the capital of Greenland. Greenland is also the largest island in the world. It's become a Danish colony in 1721, and Greenlandic also following the Danish government grant, because it's depend on the Danish government, and the Danish language and Greenlandic and Inuit are spoken. The currency of Greenland is Danish krone, and Christianity is the major religion in Greenland. Okay, New Zealand, Wellington, New Zealand dollar, Christianity and English. New Zealand is a beautiful island country. In Australia, it consists two islands and important city Auckland and Christchurch. Northern Ireland and Southern Ireland. The national bird of New Zealand is kiwi. It's known as the New Zealanders also known as kiwist as well, and it also produce a dairy product and agriculture. It's basically an agriculture country in New Zealand. Okay, the national symbol of New Zealand is kiwi, and New Zealanders also known as the kiwis. It's a rich country. Cricket is a popular game and also famous for the water sports. Bungee jumping, paragliding and rafting are the water sports in New Zealand. These are also the fact of the Australia. You will be learn the name major wildlife: koala, kangaroo and kiwi. Sydney, Melbourne, Wellington and Auckland are the major cities, and the continent also known as Oceania. Okay, then come Australia country. Canberra is the capital, Australian dollar and English. Australia is the sixth largest country in the world. Melbourne is an important city. High technology of farming method are used in Australia. Dairy products are there. Quarter of the world's wool produced by Australia. Cricket is a popular game in Australia. Grand Opera House is a landmark. Kangaroo and koala are the national bird and national symbol of that country. Australia is a famous country, and Australian birds is famous all over the world. And then you have to do the Grand Opera House. It is a landmark of Australia. It is 1957 it was constructed. It's officially opened for Queen Elizabeth II in 1973, and rest of the points you have to make from it. Okay, take care till then. For the next class, thank you. Allah Hafiz.